I said, well, how much money do you think you're going to make? And he's like, oh, so far this year I've made about $20,000. So that's $20,000 before expenses. And then I asked, are you selling anywhere else? Is this Facebook Marketplace? Are you selling to friends? And he's like, no, it's really just eBay. So do I need an LLC? And my first thought is no, because the LLC is not a tax tool. For your purposes, I'm in California, don't necessarily pull the trigger on what is likely extra compliance until you really know what the benefit is. And for the most part, that LLC is going to buy you liability protection so that your personal assets can be separated from your business assets to create some safeguarding. My next question, though, my next answer to his questions was, well, what do I need to do? And for me, I thought about sales tax, because when you are selling something or providing a service, there could be sales tax implications. And this is really going to be driven by what state you're operating in. Sales tax is dictated at the state level, so you definitely want to be checking about what your state requires when you are selling. So California, selling tangible property is going to be considered a taxable event. However, he's selling on eBay. Because sales tax has become so complex and the online marketplace has created such opportunity for people to transact business, a lot of states have mandated that if you are selling on platforms like Etsy, Amazon, eBay, that those marketplaces now have the burden to collect and remit on your behalf. And so for that reason, my client, even though he was selling in California, he's not really collecting and remitting the tax because he's got eBay doing it for him. So I said, maybe wait to pull the trigger on that sales permit